Are you trying to boost your milk supply and have a sweet tooth? Boosting your milk supply has never been more delicious. Hi, I'm Krista from Mommy Knows Best, and today we're talking, you guessed it, all about lactation cookie mix. We've noticed two issues when it comes to making your own lactation cookie mix. For one, the ingredients tend to be very hard to find, and when you do find them, you have to buy them in huge bulk packaging that can be quite costly. The second thing is they don't always taste very good, or they're kind of bland tasting. So we took these ideas and put them together to create the ultimate lactation cookie mix. And they not only have shown to boost breastfeeding mothers' milk supply, but they taste really good too. And as you can see here, we now have 5 flavors of lactation cookie mix. So they kind of all work with different flavor palettes. Here's our OG of cookie mix, our chocolate chip, and it's still a fan favorite because, I mean, who doesn't love a home-baked chocolate chip cookie? Next we have our chocolate M&M cookie mix. This is a personal favorite of mine. It is so good. It has actual M&Ms in it, so you get an authentic M&M flavor there. Then we have our chocolate salted caramel cookies. If you like a little sweet and salty, this is definitely the cookie for you. Then we have our white chocolate chip cookie mix, and this is just another great classic that is just, it's so delicious. And last but not least, we have our oatmeal cinnamon raisin cookie mix, and this is a take on that homemade oatmeal cinnamon raisin cookie that you probably remember as a kid, and this one tastes so good as well. And so the good thing about all these different flavors is that they're so distinct that it actually is really hard to pick out a favorite. Some weeks I love the M&M one, the next one I like the white chocolate, then the oatmeal raisin, kind of like switch around. So it's fun to try them all. So each of our lactation cookie mixes include ingredients that are traditionally used to help boost milk supply. So you're gonna find brewer's yeast, flaxseed, and rolled oats in all 5 of our cookies. Another benefit of these cookies is they are guilt-free. These have healthy benefits, and the serving size is only 150 calories, so 2 cookies is a serving size. Another bonus to these cookies is they're super easy to make, so forget having to find all of those hard to find ingredients out there. All you need is a bag of mix, 1 egg, 1 stick of butter, and then for a couple of our mixes you will need to add a tablespoon of water. It just depends on the flavor. So it's super easy to make. But to help you out even further, we do have a video of Pam from Mommy Knows Best going through all the steps on how to make them. So I will link that video and you guys can check it out there, and she'll show you exactly how to make the cookies. So we want to hear from you. Comment below which one is your favorite flavor. And if you haven't tried it, still comment below and tell us which one you'd like to try the most. We would love to hear from you. It's our fun little take on the traditional lactation cookie and adding up some fun flavors that really will boost your milk supply. So if you want to see more videos on boosting your milk supply, our Mom Talks with Krista interviews, or just overall support for moms, be sure to subscribe to our channel at Mommy Knows Best on YouTube. We also have more informational videos and pictures on our Instagram and Facebook, so follow us there at Mommy Knows Best. And thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.